Hey, Bob Carr here with TLC. Happy Easter Monday to everybody. Hope everybody had a great weekend. All right, let's dive into this video. How many outdoor lights does your home actually need? Today we're going to talk about outdoor lighting, okay? Let me ask you something. When you look at your home at night, does it actually look the way you thought it would? Or is it a little darker than expected? A little uneven maybe? Even missing that wow factor? Well, you're not alone. Most homeowners I meet across Annapolis, Severna Park, in the DMV have no idea how many lights their house, their home actually needs. And that's exactly where the problem starts. Here's what typically happens, okay? A homeowner decides to add a few lights. They install a couple uplights, maybe a path light or two, something near the front door. And then they step back and say, hey, something still doesn't look right. That's because outdoor lighting is not about adding lights, it's about designing with purpose. Too few lights, your home disappears into the dark. Too many lights, it looks harsh, overdone, almost commercial. And the biggest mistake is lighting without a plan. Okay? You wouldn't believe how many times I go to someone's home and they need help and they're showing me what's going on outside. I said, where's your plan? What do you got on paper? You know, on your iPad? What kind of design you got? And I always get that look, don't really have a plan? Okay. Now, at TLC, we've been doing this for over 42 years. And here's what we've learned in this. Every home is different. No one size fits all. And guessing, it's the fastest way to waste money. So how do you figure how many lights you actually need? Well, let me walk you through this. First, we'll start with your home, with the house. Columns, peaks, garage framing, stone, brick. Each one matters, okay? It's a lot of different things going on. A good starting point is one light, as a rule, every 6 to 10 feet. But placement matters more than quantity. Next, what do you want people to notice? A tree, your front door, a wall feature. Lighting draws the eye. No focal point, no impact. Now, let's talk depth. You don't just light the house. You create layers. The foreground, midground, background. That's what gives your home dimension, okay? And lighting is about safety. It's also about safety, okay? Walkway, steps, driveways. That's where path lighting comes in. And here's the big one. Balance. Balance, balance, balance. You want it to feel even? You want it to feel even, not like runway lights at an airport. So when someone asks me, Bob, how many lights do I need? My answer is very simple. It depends on how you want your home to feel at night. Think about that. I was just at a home in Davisonville. Beautiful property. They had 6 lights installed. They weren't wrong, they were just incomplete. We redesigned it, brought it up to 18 fixtures, and when we turned it on, the homeowner said, this is the first time, Bob, I've actually seen my house at night. That's the difference, okay? So if you're wondering, how many lights do I need? Well, here's the good news. You don't have to guess. At TLC, we'll design it for you. Not too much, not too little, just right. If you want to see what your home will look like tonight, reach out to us at TLC. Talk to you soon.